Watch what happens inside. Think holding a sneeze is harmless. Think again. When you stop a sneeze, all that high-speed air gets trapped inside your head and chest, creating intense pressure. It can push against your sinuses, ears, and tiny blood vessels, sometimes causing ear pain, nosebleeds, or even ruptured eardrums. Sneezing is your body's natural defense. Stopping it can silently damage your ears, eyes, and blood vessels. Next time a sneeze comes, let it out. Your body is protecting you, not you it.